It's non-debatable that estate agents should be using social media for their business. The job of an estate agent does not end when you post your listing on Property 24, or else you'll be losing out on a handful of potential leads from social media. And like everything in life, there is a right and a wrong way to do a thing. And so, in this video, we'll be discussing the right ways to use social media to market your property listings. But in this episode, we'll be discussing Facebook. So let's get into it. Firstly, set up a Facebook page. Don't use your personal Facebook account for your real estate services because it's not professional. And also, you miss out on a handful of business features that a Facebook page comes with, such as the ability to run Facebook ads and check your Facebook insights. Be sure to fill out all of your details for your page, your contact details, website link, email address, and add in a bio about yourself and what your services are. When you start posting, have a strategy for your posts. Decide on what kind of content you'll be posting about, on what day of the week, and stick to this routine. Have a specific day for posting photos, a day for videos, one for your quotes, and one for your property listings. Always post your property listings with photos of the property. Engage with your followers and reply to all comments, whether negative or positive. Never ignore your inboxes either. Be sure to reply to them in a timely manner. The golden rule in social media is the 80-20 rule. That is, post 80% of your content about lifestyles, customer interests, and other updates, and post 20% of your content about you and your product, in this case, your property listings. This keeps your social media page social and engaging, and it ensures that you don't bore your audience by overselling. Make use of video. Today, 45% of people watch more than an hour's worth of Facebook or YouTube videos a week. This is more than enough reason for you to take advantage of video. You could go live at the property you are about to list and walk your followers through it, explaining the property's best-selling features. This can create excitement about this property before you officially list it. Post regular videos and articles shedding light on issues regarding real estate. This will establish you as an industry expert and will gain you the trust of your followers in giving them the sense that you know what you're doing. Participate in local Facebook groups, not only to post your listings but engage on posts of others as well. There are many local Facebook groups in South Africa for real estate. To help you get started, you can make use of our very own group, Point On SA Property Group. Be sure to check it out. Finally, estate agents should identify and track their social media metrics to gain a better understanding of which strategies are working and which should be replaced or tweaked. Metrics like the number of likes per share, number of followers, and level of engagement can guide estate agents toward what they ought to do with their social media campaigns. Facebook Audience Insights will tell you which kind of posts generate the most interest and which kind leads to unfollows. Follow this wisely. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us on social media. Also, let us know in the comment section below what other tips and ideas you would give on marketing your property listing on Facebook. Thanks for watching and catch you guys on the next video.